2020 GMC Sierra 1500. With less than 37,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It brings drivers and passengers many levels of convenience with its Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats, heated rear seats, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. Take home the car of your dreams today.